We've got breaking news coming in. Rhea Chakraborty, actor Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, has sought a CBI inquiry into the actor's death by suicide. She has tweeted, and I quote, "Respected Amit Shah sir, I'm Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, Rhea Chakraborty. It is now over a month since his sudden demise. I have complete faith in the government. However, in the interest of justice, I request you with folded hands to initiate a CBI inquiry into this matter. I only want to understand what pressures prompted Sushant to take this step." Unquote. Rhea Chakraborty herself, remember, is getting rape threats, murder threats, and has requested the cybercrime cell to take action. Rajput, 34, was found dead in his Bandra home on 14th of leaving the entire nation shell-shocked, leaving people in the film industry and audiences beyond shocked. Chakraborty in particular was also subject to online hate, with a lot of users blaming her for Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide. Pia Ingorani is now joining us for the very latest. Pia, from the tweet that Rhea has put out, it looks like she is really hoping that there's some sort of a CBI inquiry that is conducted into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. What really happened? She was even questioned by the Mumbai police.
Well, absolutely, Jayati. To begin with, let us remind everyone that up until now, Rhea Chakraborty has not really spoken about it. It was only, a month after Sushant Singh Rajput's demise that she actually came out and gave a tribute to him, despite the fact that, we had spotted her a couple of times with her friends because she was going through a really rough phase. And she did put out a tribute, a couple of days back, talking about her relationship with Sushant and how much he meant to her. And now, the fact that she has been subject to a lot of trolls, she's been getting a lot of threats, be it rape, murder, among many other things. I think now she has finally mustered the courage to actually speak out, and she's requested people to, of course, while maintaining her privacy, and, she's asked the authorities to please take it up. And more importantly, she has been questioned by the Mumbai police, by the Bandra police, while, the other investigations are on. About 30 people up until now have been questioned with regards to his death by suicide case. So now it's only a matter of time when, the Mumbai police will actually reveal what they have found so far.
Pia, if you could just clarify one point as to where the entire inquiry and the probe stands as far as the death of Sushant Singh Rajput is concerned, because many from the film industry, many of his relatives, close friends from the film fraternity, they were all questioned. Rhea asking for a CBI probe only indicates that somewhere this case has still not been transferred to the CBI. There's some sort of an impediment. What's going on with regards to the probe at the moment, Pia?
Well, Jayati, the Mumbai police need to complete their probe for it to be, transferred to the CBI, because they are still questioning, all his work associates, be it Sanjay Leela Bhansali has been questioned, the head honcho of a talent management company, Reshma Shetty, his own managers, and his PR representatives. Everyone has been questioned. In fact, his family, his staff, his cook, and all of them have also been summoned a couple of times. His flatmate has also been called in a couple of times for repeated questioning. So at the moment, Mumbai police is, making sure that they tick all the boxes, making sure that they speak to everyone before, reaching a conclusion on the case.
And what about the others in the film fraternity as well? Is the chorus going for this case to be transferred to the CBI?
Well, that is not known at the moment. But we're hoping to hear more from the Mumbai police. Only they can confirm something like this, because the rest of Bollywood, as you might have noticed, have really kept quiet over his demise. They do not want to talk about it since the investigations are still on and it's sub judice. So no one is really speaking about it at the moment, but we're just waiting to hear what, the Mumbai police concludes with.
What about his family, Pia? Where does his family stand as far as this probe is concerned? Would they like to see this transfer to the CBI as well? Have you spoken to any of the family members? Because I do know that his cousin, if I'm not mistaken, is the one who wants to get justice for him. He's making allegations that there is more to it than meets the eye.
Right, absolutely. But apart from his cousin, his sisters have not really said anything about a CBI inquiry. In fact, his sister Shweta Kirti has been extremely, vocal on social media about tributes and, has been extremely emotional about her post towards her brother Sushant Singh Rajput. But at the same time, none of the immediate family members have really spoken out about this. From what we hear from the Mumbai police is that they will be calling in the sisters once again, for a detailed questioning. So up until then, we are not, aware if the immediate family has really requested for a CBI inquiry or not.
Absolutely. Stay with us. Divyesh is also joining us, Pia. Divyesh, we do remember that Bihar MP Pappu Yadav had also gone ahead and made this particular plea to the Home Minister to have the CBI probe that should begin in Sushant Singh Rajput's death probe. Where does that stand?
See, the probe that is being conducted by the Bandra police in Mumbai in connection with the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, they've already recorded statements of 35 persons as of now, and some people are being recalled like the close relatives because they were they had then recorded when the incident happened. After that, they had recorded their statements, but some of them, like his sister Neetu, has been called again. She is at the farmhouse in Lonavala which Sushant had hired, and he was staying there for some time. She's presently over there. And she's stuck over there. That is what cops are telling us. She was to arrive yesterday for her statement, which was to be recorded again by the investigating officer, but she somehow couldn't make it. And today also she couldn't make it at the Bandra police station. While we also hear that there are some other people who had closely worked with Sushant Singh Rajput are going to be summoned. Their statements will be recorded. So Mumbai police is trying to probe each and every possible angle. Also, some of the journalists who have done some negative stories, some stories which Sushant felt were negative or were against him, they are also being probed. Their statements have been recorded by the investigation team, and they are specifically being asked by the investigating officer on who gave them the stories. Was there a PR agency that was trying to plant the stories against Sushant Singh Rajput? So the probe as of now is being carried out on all possible angles, whether there was someone who was trying to damage Sushant's image or trying to attack him via negative stories or via professionally. Also, there were three senior officials who worked with Yashraj. So their statements have been recorded. We hear that some other production houses with whom Sushant has been working or was trying to work with, as we also know that Sanjay Leela Bhansali would approach Sushant Singh Rajput for 3 of his films and another film which did not take off. So all these persons' statements have been recorded, and Mumbai police claims that
Divyesh, what I'm understanding is that the chorus is growing, with Rhea Chakraborty now and many of his fans also, if you see Twitterati and many people on social media urging the CBI to provide justice to the late actor, asking Home Minister Amit Shah to transfer this case to the CBI as well. At the moment, where does the Mumbai police stand? When is the entire probe from their side going to be complete so that this case can be transferred to the CBI? Divyesh?
See, what the Mumbai police are saying as of now, it's been almost 32 days that have passed after Sushant Singh's death, and they have almost questioned 35 persons. 35 people have been questioned in connection with the case. And that is what I earlier also pointed out, that Mumbai police is trying to probe all possible angles on what led Sushant Singh or what drove him to take this extreme step of ending his life. That is being proved. It is a case of suicide. He did commit suicide. The post-mortem report, which was certified by 5 senior doctors, 5 senior forensic doctors from Mumbai, clearly states that his death has happened. The cause of death stated in the post-mortem report is asphyxia due to hanging. There has been no foul play. There were no physical marks on his body. There were no struggle marks found at the scene, or there was nothing found in his nails as well. So there's been no foul play as of now in terms of what caused his death. What Mumbai police are trying to probe is that what drove Sushant Singh Rajput to take this extreme step of ending his life, and that is why.
I believe what Ria is trying to figure out as well, if you could take a look at her tweet, that is exactly what she wants to know. She has said that I only want to understand what pressures prompted Sushant to take this step, and that's exactly what she wants to know, Divyesh.
Yeah, Ria Chakrabarti has also tweeted a while ago, and she said that CBI should probe this, while Mumbai police also states that they have been trying to question each and every person concerned with Sushant Singh Rajput. Remember, some top PR professionals, some top talent management agency professionals have been questioned. Reshma Shetty last week was questioned. Her statement was recorded, and Reshma Shetty also, our sources clearly tell us that she was also questioned whether there was some negative stories or some attacks in media being planted from some other channels, some other person against Sushant Singh Rajput. But nothing of that sort as of now has come out from statements of any of the persons.
I just want to go across to Pia Ingorani if she's still with us. Pia, all right, Divyesh, the same question to you then. Pia, Ria herself is getting a lot of rape threats, murder threats. People on social media, as you can see, are being absolutely brutal towards Ria as well. And she has requested the cybercrime to take action. Where does that stand, Divyesh?
There have been social media attacks, there have been social media outrage after Sushant Singh's death, and there are a lot of fans who turned on, are trying to get on social media, are trying to attack some people who were close to him. Each and every person who was close to him or somewhere connected to him, or whether he worked with them professionally, are being attacked, and Ria has also been a victim of that. Now she's come out, she's spoken on Twitter, she's tweeted about it, and she's also said that she seeks a CBI inquiry into this matter if that suffices. But what we hear in connection with the probe that is being conducted by Mumbai police, each and every person who was working with Sushant Singh Rajput, even some top-notch guys, are going to be summoned in connection with this case, in connection with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. That is what we hear, and they have been summoned. They have been summoned, issued to some top-notch, some top celebrities. But police are yet to.
Yes, we'll continue tracking the story in much detail, get few more reactions from the Bollywood fraternity as well. So people slowly starting to speak up, breaking their silence. People who are very close to Sushant Singh Rajput. Case in point, Ria Chakrabarti, who is Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend. She's spoken out on the untimely demise of the late actor as well. With that, it's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on the show.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.